Tugas kami akan memulai proses pemeriksaan tiket. Kami meminta kerjasama Anda untuk segera duduk sesuai dengan nomor yang tertera pada tiket sampai proses pengecekan tiket selesai. Selamat menikmati perjalanan Anda. Terima kasih. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on Tawang Jaya train that will take us to Pasar Senen for the last destination station. This train will travel for 6 hours and 38 minutes. For any service or information, you can contact our crew in our trip today. For your safety, we remind you to keep all your belongings. And please do not smoke on the train, in the toilet, or in the boardings. Within few minutes, all crew will check your ticket. Please remain seated until the ticket checking is finished. Have a nice trip. Thank you. Demi kenyamanan kita bersama, kami informasikan untuk tidak merokok, baik di dalam kereta, di toilet, maupun di bordes. Bagi penumpang yang kedapatan merokok di atas rangkaian kereta, akan segera kami turunkan di stasiun terdekat berikutnya. Terima kasih. For our convenience, please not smoke on the train, in the toilet, or in the bordes. To the passenger who getting smoke on the train, we will getting off you in the next station. Thank you.